crazy is like gold has not gone down.
What do you think that is?
The US dollar just dropped a bunch, I guess. Yeah.
What's up, bro?
Good morning. Yep. Trump said Iran opened up the
Yeah,
trade.
Strait is open. Wait, what? Say they run what?
You're silent. The street is open.
Oh, yeah. Wait, Trump said that or Iran?
Trump said Iran opened the strait.
It didn't pump that much, from what I'm seeing. Like 300 points, right?
The news like moving this slightly down now is they said military vessels aren't allowed to cross the strait.
Why can I not ping the VC row? Bro, you pinged the VC ghosty. Mm.
Where's Johnny?
I haven't had any caffeine yet.
But
Surprisingly.
you had your monster.
But yeah, but like after that, no caffeine. I'm gonna stay up tonight too, cause I'm going out with friends. I'll try to sleep a bit before that.
Alright.
Unbelievably cooked. I'm not gonna be trading today. I'm just gonna watch. Blew too many accounts this week.
I'm gonna go too short here.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm gonna add two
Order
more.
filled.
Okay. I'm gonna put my stops at 45.
Stop filled.
Okay, stop. 6-9 and 6-7 again.
6-7. Enter more now, bro. Do it. Good entry, trust. 20 micros. Enoch, next week you should do the thing with the 5 accounts I told you.
Okay. Yeah, I think we'll have this move today, like this. So it'll probably be like what I'll trade off of for now. Wow. Wreckage just puked. No, you recovered that. I'm gonna go in too long.
Order filled. Order
I'll
filled.
go add 2 more. Like at 4.
Cow premium is so high, but they've been doing calls like every day.
Yeah.
It's still like printing crazy money. Like I'm doing like 5 days to expiration calls.
Yeah.
And it's like guaranteed money. Like yesterday, I had like 200 contracts. I made so much money off of that. Like covered like probably like my next 200 futures accounts.
Well, today's like the monthly options expiration. So I guess people are covering that. I have stops at 26, 625.5. And Moose tops to 35 in profit.
So much less people when there's exams. It's crazy. Like after the other week, it's gonna be like 3 times the people.
Mm-hmm.
Bruh.
What's up?
One of my friends made 400% on his micro strategy calls.
Dang.
Holy fuck.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm stopped in profits there.
Nick, are you gonna trade less today?
Probably. I'm like tired.
Nice, you didn't sleep enough.
No, I normally sleep 8 hours. It's like only like 5. Or actually 4. I might go too short. Yeah.
You're gonna short the top of the channel? Are you looking
Yep,
for the
it's
breakdown?
also the structure. Could go to 81. 81, another 2, and then we'll have our stops at 30, 31. Selling it at 81.
Bro, yesterday's weather was insane.
What
It
about it?
wasn't like hot, but it was sunny.
Yeah. Do you have like 30 minutes left, Sue, before you go to the airport?
Yeah, but I'm in profit for the day today because of the first trade we took.
Yeah.
So that I guess I'll be leaving on like a good note.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Also, I went to Surrey Libraries yesterday. They don't have the encyclopedia,
Yeah.
but they do have it at Vancouver Libraries.
Yeah.
So they said if I don't like, I could either go there and get it, so make a Vancouver Libraries card, or I could go ahead and get them to order it to this library.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Government OP.
Yeah, for free, I get to read $120 book.
I wonder how much like the government spends on the libraries every year.
Not much, because people donate their books. Usually, it's like most books are donated.
But yeah, I was here. I think they buy it straight up.
I think there's some sort of website we could check.
Yeah, they can order books for you too if it's not there. You just request it and they'll buy it. Okay, they get 14 million from the federal government in BC every year.
I tried searching it up, they didn't show me. They said 8% of Surrey's library budget comes from the province. They didn't show me like the number.
I see. Oh, Vancouver Public Library is 65 mil. Yeah, I'm just hoping for this to play out, basically, right? The wick off. So we hit PSY, VC, and then the automatic reversal. And now we're going to ST right around here. If our limit doesn't trigger, it's fine.
Mm-mm-mm.
Oh, I met. Oh
Order
shoot.
filled.
Okay, I'm gonna go add my 2. Add 4. I'm gonna take off extra 2.
Order filled.
Okay. Cancel the limit we set. Okay. Oh, move your stop down. To. Okay, we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna move it to 35. Oh, okay. Come on, one push and then I'm moving it down. Okay, I moved it to 35. Get
Stop
tapped
filled.
out. Okay.
Yo, guys, are you trailing Enoch right now? So many muted people. Sido, are you trading?
Yeah. I caught this one partially. I took profit at 736 because like it. I have to
The
put an
big die.
automatic one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, Slaggy, I'm gonna give you the alpha roll so you can see more channels and talk. If you reconnect, you can talk.
Yeah, thanks. I'm just
Yeah.
watching. I'm not really understanding all of it, so I'm just watching
Yeah,
to
bro,
get some experience.
just feel free to ask if you have any questions. Bro, I wish I was trading today. It's like so smooth. Like the PA is so nice.
Yeah.
Hyrin, I also gave you Rose. If you rejoin, you'll be able to speak. Arthur? Never seen this guy.
What's up, Arthur? He was here yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Nick, did you manage to catch the 26,700 move on your shorts?
Yeah.
Like, nice. Holy W.
Like
Hey,
I
can
showed you
you show me the
everything is
channel?
happening on this like image. Yeah, probably it was like a good re-entry. I just don't want to chase
What
stuff.
does UATD mean?
Um
Hey, can you actually like do something? Like, can you post this image in the education channel so like we have it as a reference?
yeah, it's in general. Yeah, I'll put it later on. But yeah, but you see me trade this or the opposite of it upwards then.
They call it the unique pattern. How do you call it? Go for summer. Bombokla. Bombokla. Čekaj, drazno. Wait, are you trading on this funded right now?
Yeah, like TPT funded, yeah.
Do you think it's worth it, like buying directly funded accounts?
If you have capital, I think most people will not do too well on them.
BRB.
Alright. Oh, getting looks so good to short.
Enoch, thank you for the stream, bro. I'll
Yeah,
see you
no
on
problem.
Monday.
See you Monday. Have a good
See
one.
ya.
Have a good
You
weekend.
too. You too, bro.
John.
Yep.
What's good, bro?
Was good. Was good. Why is the market so green again?
The straight is open.
It is
For the
it
next
is
6
open.
months.
6 months?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
That's part of the ceasefire deal between
I thought it
US
was
and
1
Iran.
week.
Guess not.
Wait, let me read up on this. You guys take any good trades today? Or any trades?
No. I'm on a leash today. I'm not trading. I'm not buying new accounts.
Okay.
I can take a trade or two on my funded.
Oh, you said you're on a leash though.
Yeah.
Nah, I think setting this one out is better.
I'm just not gonna buy new accounts. I'm gonna trade on my fundeds.
Yeah, if I was looking at this, I would just short the market. Okay.
Yo, is that ICT 995? Enik, your biggest top.
What? Oh, yeah. Did I? No, someone else. And there is no way the market is so up. Holy. Isn't it the only open for the remaining period of the ceasefire? It's only like one more week, thingus, or like 4 days.
I don't know, I think it was 6 months. I read it somewhere.
So versus 6 months.
Order filled.
What did I just hear? Order filled.
Yeah, who entered?
Order
Order.
filled.
Who's entering?
I think it was ICT.
uh, bro is trading. Let's see what
Bro,
he's probably did. What is
bro,
it?
it's
Shorts?
ICT Inc. ICT Inc. all over the place.
Bro, there's no fair value gaps anywhere, bro. He's at the very, very top.
Your fair value gaps got hit.
Oh my god, my positioner is getting cooked.
Order filled.
What, your QBTZ position?
No, my SPXU.
The one at 24K?
It's basically the short that's getting cooked. My QBTZ is not moving right now, so that's a good sign, in my opinion. The only issue that there's no market pullback, so this is one of the worst things ever.
Jenny, I'm gonna touch you, bro.
GG's, bro.
Wait, Inika, you're in the trade right now?
Just watching the structure as it plays out that I wanted. We are like near top of channel. Nearly double top, and also it'll be Gex 8.
And the market will still pump.
Woo!
Where's the Gex 8 at?
Wait, what for Gex 8?
Where is it at?
26,800, and it's like the last level. You have like Gex 6 at 650 QQQ. Call premium.
Watch us just drive
insane.
straight through.
Call premium insane.
Damn, I wish I was here for the first tap on Gex 8. Would have been a nice pullback.
Like I feel like options to 645. Like there's 646 there. Oh, nah, 645 wouldn't be too bad.
So you're saying the buy option, like QQQ shorts?
Yeah, potentially. No, but we might just slice through this high. Just keep
Yeah.
going higher.
We are slicing right now.
Oh, there we go.
Damn, that first tap on Gex 8 was so nice, though.
Yep.
It was like a 100-point move down.
Okay. There's no more levels for yes. Wait, let's check spy. Yeah, spy also is just in discovery land. No levels left.
Heard everybody was buying call options.
Bro,
We're
my
probably
bot
gonna
enter.
see it like just keep going up like crazy, and then freaking end of day like whip back, because today's like monthly options expiring. So all the monthly options are gonna expire today. A huge amount.
Bro, hood is up 40% in 3 weeks.
Holy moon. I sold my hood. A little bit of it too.
Just now?
No. Like, before it went up.
Yeah, I might just have one micro short.
Order filled.
You don't think we discover higher? Or actually, no, one
I'm
micro
hitting a
probably.
level.
Order filled.
It's actually higher. Okay, move it to like 671. Dingus, you sound like a revving car right now.
I ate too much, bro. I'm gonna enter this trade on my funded right now.
What, the short?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing a swing one. Trying to target
Yeah,
like down
I'm
here.
gonna do only one micro though. Like,
2668.
yeah, wait, you're on 25k, I'll do two then.
But there's no top wick.
Fuck the top wick, bro.
The
What?
top wick.
Fuck the top wick.
It's gonna be traded later on. This is probably ST instead.
You guys can't just say fuck the top wick.
Yeah, I can fuck the top wick. Bum ass top wick.
What does ST mean?
Showtime trades.
Oh my lord.
This is the showtime indicator. Whoa.
Oh no. I'm pretty sure Sharpshooter's play got cooked. I'm down $5.
First one in a while.
Think so. And he's still shorting? Now he's gonna short silver? This guy's not stoppable. I mean, his stop losses are like swing plays. They're so high up. Alright, we're entering double shorts.
Bro, is martingaling it.
Bro, I'm in so many shorts, it's actually kind of crazy.
Not over leveraged.
Nah, not at all. Over leveraged? What's that? Like, I know what under leveraged is. I actually love BitNewX because you can set a TP and a stop loss before you even enter the trade.
Yeah, that should be standard on all platforms, but you know, they gotta make you lose money.
Yeah. Sag. Alright. If this trade happens, I make $100. Oh, I'm already down 10 cents. We're cooked.
Wait, like, if I wanna get a second payout on an account, can I like just make like $600 and immediately get an account, or do I need to 5 more profitable days?
You get the 5 profit days with 150, so you can do
Again?
150 times, yeah, times 5.
Bruh. Oh man, I wanted the second payout this week.
Wow, we had a crazy bid there. Wow, what is the news?
Hmm.
I took some profits on the dip. Now I'm gonna re-enter. Up $80. Just need 80 more. Bruh, trading fund this is like so much different than trading evos for me. I think I'm doing something wrong with my strategy.
Why? Is it because you're not making the money?
No, I'm like, I think I'm just too aggressive on my evos. Like I'm going for $1,500 days on every evo. It's like I either make 1,500 or I lose 2,000. I think I just need to buy more accounts so I can like do more trades, you know?
Evo works. That's fair.
Okay, I'm gonna re-enter now. Hopefully it doesn't break out here.
Bro, this is such a tough position to buy into the stock market right now, because everything like that was under is hitting like 200 EMA or like resistance.
Mhm.
Like red is hitting 200 EMA, hood's hitting 200 EMA. So like technically you should be selling here, but if the market flips bullish, then like they all flip. Damn, I should have just took my my call options and just not be greedy.
I got 645 strike puts to DT.
Holy, we're running it back.
On QQQ.
Yeah.
What's your average, Unique?
46 cents.
Damn. I think the war is actually over, guys. Because on the war newsfeed, there's not a single missile being launched right now.
Crazy.
Usually the entire war newsfeed would have like just a bunch of war. But instead it's so silent. Yeah, it might be over.
Time to post on Instagram, bro.
I gotta. That was wrong. I lost money. It's cooked.
Guys, the war is like actually over.
Nah, it's pretty much over, I think. That's what the markets are saying, at least. But I still think we pulled back a bit.
Mm-mm-mm.
And once we pull back enough, I'm just gonna sell out of my shorts and stop bleeding. Yeah, that's so sad though. We had like 2 months of just pure like going downwards and chopping down, and now we just have like 2 weeks of just pure up.
Well, that's how we learn about war, I guess. War is
Yup.
bullish. I mean, that's like the first time for me. 4 years ago. Yeah.
I mean, war is bullish, but the last war, there was like a bigger dip. I just expected more, but I should have not been greedy.
Combined with the inflation spike first.
Yeah, now we're already trending above.
Currency didn't die. Iran's currency died. I was like, that's the biggest thing about this war. Like, I don't know.
If currency dies, it's over.
Yeah. Like, what can Iran do now? They're printing like $1 million bills now, or something.
Actually, so cooked.
Yeah. Like the day after the war, they like started printing $1 million bills. Cause like all the old bills were like straight up unusable. $10-day streak is kind of crazy. I forgot where you can find it, Jaya, but you can look at how many percentage like down days in a year, or like what's the max drawdown normally per year.
Enoch, what TP are you going for?
What, for my shorts?
Yeah.
Like my puts, or like
No, your options. Yeah.
oh,
The
options?
option. Yeah.
I'm gonna TP around when we hit like 2668, like on the NQ.
26068.
Like 455. Like what was it, 6455? I think. Well, that's what I think we can go to. That's just my opinion. if we get a pullback, I think that's like a logical zone.
645.
0.5. Well, I bought 45 strike.
Wait, how much is it gonna be? That's gonna be like $2 contracts, right?
I don't know. Not good with options. I'll know closer when we get there.
I'm trailing you on this one. For the options.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm 20% already right now. Go get water. God damn, another hive day.
Are you still strong on the puts?
Yeah. I'm gonna move my stop up slightly. Like 882. Oh, the top channel is 87. So I'm just gonna do 90. Should be like hive day probably. If the structure holds, you go up a bit more and then back down.
Is he making a new high again? My god. Did you get stopped out?
No, I'm just chilling. I just had a gigantic spider appear on my desk and vacuum it.
What the fuck?
Scared me. No, it's probably nothing compared to like the Europe or the Australia or Asia, like spiders.
I haven't seen big spiders in Europe.
Like the spider was like, I don't know, like if you put like a O with your fingers, I guess like freaking
What the fuck?
your thumb and your, I don't know.
Yeah, I've never seen that
index
big of a
finger.
spider.
Really?
Yeah.
It was just like the legs were really long, that's it. It's so
Freaky.
thin though. It's like freaking like string thin, like legs.
Freaky.
I'm gonna add 2 more to my futures.
Order filled.
For 4. Stuff's at 95. I'll just put it at 901. Okay.
Good morning, boys.
What's up?
Good morning. Hormuz.
Good morning. What happened?
That was
What
my
happened?
favorite 70-year-old.
Hormuz is open.
Hormuz is opened?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Temporarily or for...
Like Wong temporarily.
Holy shit. That... Okay. We're gonna get repriced. I'm out of all my shorts. Down like 70k today.
Nice.
Today's OPEX, so we might get like a huge reaction end of day. I don't know. I'm in puts
From
for
food?
645 on QQQ. No, like just monthly options expiration for like
Oh, okay, okay.
in indices, yeah.
I thought you said like a... Like OPEC, the...
Oh no, like MOPX.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, or they just call it OPEX. Yeah. Options expiration.
Yeah, we're gonna get volatility, I guess.
Yeah. Cause like the monthlies are probably like too freaking green. We hit the Gex 6. Like, we hit like above like every single option level. So
Right,
I
so
think
that's like
pretty-
overextended, right?
yeah. Well, we on QQQ we tapped the last one, and now that's high of day basically. So we're shorting this because of that.
I'm long oil. It hit one of my limits.
I haven't checked oil.
Inik, how up are you on your puts right now?
I think they're break even. Yeah, let me check.
How many contracts are you with?
Oh, my position's 15. Yeah, I'm down 10% right now.
15 contracts?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Why so little? If you have such high conviction.
I'm in a swing at the same time already, so I just don't wanna like triple down, I guess. Or I mean like, yeah, like triple down heavy. Triple short heavy. It's crazy. 10 green days now. This is probably gonna be 10 green days in a row. Most likely.
When's the last time that happened? Like tariffs?
Yeah,
Or they
tariffs.
like 9 days?
Yeah, tariffs.
How many days?
Yeah, it was 9 days. I don't know why it says 11. Like, I guess, like, if you count QQQ, but then if you count the overnight, I think it wasn't 11. It was only, like, 8 or 9. You're gonna have people, like, tweet, like, oh my god, this hasn't only happened this many times in history, where we get, like, 10 days of green. And we're at NQ all-time highs, basically. Like, that's what we tapped earlier. 2863. That's like the previous all-time high from what is it? October. So you're shorting that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's crazy how like gold just pumps off of this too. I guess it's just currency, because US currency went down a bunch.
It's just like money going from oil to gold again. Like we were
No,
with the oil
it's
dollar for
money
so long now.
to indices and out of bonds.
Hello?
You, Johnny, what's up?
I'm back. What did I miss? Market still hasn't crashed yet? I'm going back out.
Okay.
I'm kidding. Oh, wait, you actually caught the top.
Hopefully it is. It's Gex 6 on QQQ, literally. And it's all-time high on NQ. Like, the all-time high from October. Like, if you look at the stream, like, the October high is like,
Yeah.
in line with today. Yeah. So you probably will get a pullback.
So you're saying to short the market to zero?
No. That's why I bought some puts. Yeah. And I'm in swing longs. Or swing shorts, I mean, again.
Let's see if we bounce off this.
Whoa. Whoa. There's news.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What news is
It
it?
depends on duration of oil shock to persist. Fed. If conflict persists, more inflationary pressure for a longer time.
I don't know. I feel like the market's like very susceptible to.
Trump says Iran agreed unlimited suspension of nuclear program. The fuck?
The nuclear stuff is like, I don't know.
Oh, I think Iran's pretty dead from the first day because their currency died.
They still have massive control though. Like,
Doesn't matter when you don't have any money. Like your economy just is getting brittler and brittler. It's like
your citizens are like gonna be like, what the heck?
yeah.
yeah.
Like sure you have like geopolitical control, but when your citizens like are dying of starvation, do you really have anything?
I don't know.
The U.S. will not release frozen Iran funds.
GG's. We're back to conflict.
The US will what?
Not release Iran funds. Dingus, how many days until your 8 sleep comes?
Yeah, 5.
Let's go.
Bro, you've been asking me every day.
Gotta know.
Who wants you to sleep better?
Bro wants to tuck me in.
He wants to touch you in bed.
Whoa.
Wait, XT, what did you have a limit for on oil? What price did you fill
At
in?
a TWAP, it starts from 87 and it's still running.
Oh, okay.
I'm averaged in 83 something.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
81.3 support.
I'm sort of like, I don't know. This is the bet. So currently, the way we're positioned, right? Any bad headline, the move is going to be very violent. No.
Yeah. Until you're below 76, I would say.
Yeah. No. My inval is exactly there. Very simple levels. But like at least then, like if I get stopped out of that, I know that oil is done for. Like we're not really gonna have the conflict will probably be over by then. Then oil will just continue to range below 60,
Yeah.
below 70. I don't know. Commodities are like we're still pretty new to me. Like
Yeah. One of my biggest losing trades is like oil.
really?
Yeah.
Is there a reason like you only do NQ?
I think he's
like
just
you
used
can
to it.
get more bailed out, I guess, on NQ more than like any other one. It's like more forgiving.
Yeah, I get you. Silver did really well for me, but I also fucked it up sometime. Like it's very volatile, and it was outperforming gold.
Yeah, like, one of my biggest losses was like last June. Like the
Silver?
oil spiked last June.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I like bid the retest and it just kept dipping, basically. Breaking retest. Of like the huge like it was like I don't know, I guess like very weekly since like the downwards trend line from like 2022 is dried down and it broke out and I was like, oh, we'll get a breakout retest. And it just keeps dipping.
I don't know.
But gold is like I don't know. I love gold way more.
Like gold.
Yeah.
I mean, look, if you were trading them or like looking to buy silver gold, like the silver gold trade last year was really good. A lot of like
Yeah. I was really going crazy on CFDs, like on gold. I was trading only gold 2 years ago since like 2023. Like the breakout, I remember November. And then gold reached the all-time high of like what is it? Like 1900
5K.
or something. No, like in 2023. And then that's when I
Oh,
started just like going perma long on gold. Yeah.
oh, you're so fucking. You would have been like if you just had like a trade open for forever.
I should have just sized in like crazier. Yeah. No,
You
that's
could have
why
just
like you
bought
know
spots.
that Sebastian guy I talked about, like he just held silver from like $16 long, like on crazy leverage.
I mean, that was the trade. Like I heard about it no, 2 years ago
Yeah.
from someone that works at a boutique fund. They were saying like no, but like their thesis was different. They were like, there's a massive silver shortage, and silver has more demand than gold, uh, for current applications or something like that. And then that was their thesis, and it ended up playing out. Like they were right about the whole run up from like what below 40
Yeah.
to like 120.
Yeah, a lot of people like I think just go off of the gold and silver ratio basically, and it worked perfectly well. Like you played the gold silver ratio
What do you mean?
basically. Like gold was overvalued compared like the ratio basically, like the price of gold
Oh
versus
yeah,
silver. That was like the
oh yeah,
main one
yeah.
people played.
Because that was a trade, like the silver gold trade. Like people were like betting silver would go up
Yeah, cause
high, like
cause gold
more
ran
than gold.
first and it lagged until like like I don't even know like last November, and we just had the crazy run up after that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I don't know.
but
It's pretty interesting.
at least you're doing better than the rich dad, poor dad guy.
The Robert Kiyosaki.
Yeah, it's so funny. He's like,
What?
because he was like, buy silver, buy silver, buy silver for like 10 years, and then silver didn't pump. And then like a year ago, like before the pump, he sold all his silver at like $30, and he's like, I'm
Bro.
moving to Bitcoin. And he bought the Bitcoin top and silver pumped.
Worst trade of all time.
I'm like, you have a 10-year conviction and you lose the conviction to go to Bitcoin. He probably would have made like I think like 3 billion or something, apparently.
Holy shit. I mean, he's still stacked. Like
Yeah.
100 mil. With like he says a billion in debt. 1.2
Are you talking
billion
about
in
the
debt.
Asian guy with glasses?
Dude, yeah,
Is it that guy?
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Kiyosaki. I don't know. He's like known for that Rich Dad Poor Dad book.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy Decay's
Robin.
flopping me on these 0 DTEs, dingus. What about Robin Hood?
It's up. It's up today. I rebalanced like yesterday.
Yeah.
Bought like I moved 20% of my like, EU indexes, like
Oh, Hood
energy,
looks so good.
into Robinhood and Oracle.
Yeah, I know so many people that got it was literally 618 fib perfectly. What the heck? The bottom at
Yeah.
63.
Hood? Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
you notice that?
it's literally fib. Holy, it literally bounced off perfectly. Yeah,
Yeah.
the whole move. I know so many people in like what is it? Like leaps for 170 and 200.
What?
Yeah, they got stuck at like near the highs in their
Oh fuck.
leaps. Yeah.
Or R?
Yeah.
I, I also looked at MU, Johnny.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm actually thinking of maybe moving, like diversifying again, moving more indexes into
Yeah. What is it? Before the what was it? After the last earnings, people opened a bunch of leaps for 500. So you'll probably see 500 hit in the near future. No,
For
For
MU,
Robinhood?
yeah,
no,
from
but that's
like
not
1 month ago. Yeah, for
that's not
MU.
even worth it. It's like 10%.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Like
premium
I
might
feel
be
like
way too high.
yeah, Hood's got a lot more upside.
Yeah.
But Oracle is interesting. I have like the. I'm gonna send it to you guys.
It's kind of crazy. Avgo's like number 6 now.
Avga.
Yeah, Broadcom. Yeah. Like Meta and Tesla have been lagging, I guess. They're technically not the Mag 7 anymore.
I shouldn't have picked Reddit. I should have picked MU. No. Why'd I buy the dip?
Capital flows. All right. I wanna.
Well, Hims is up 5%.
Well, we don't talk about him in this Discord.
Hims is up 5%. Was
No,
up
we don't talk about
10%
Hims here.
pre-market.
No.
It was up 11% pre-market.
Per. Did you get into per?
Nah, I'm looking for an entry. I'm like, should I just add it in? Yeah, I guess I'll probably add in now and then probably some at like $5. Probably.
All right. Let me.
That's what I think. Yeah.
Oracle. All right.
Bro,
Let
who
me.
put a fucking poop besides Johnny's portfolio?
Yeah, I wonder who did that. Check the logs.
Bro, how does yours have the money and mine doesn't? That's crazy. Yo, I don't think this did this.
Check the logs.
There's no point in checking it. It's not gonna change anything. Bro, it's dingus, bro. 100%. I don't have to check the logs. That's crazy. My portfolio's bad. There's only one losing trade in that portfolio. Or two.
Oh. Oh my god, I'm gonna go buy more of my rail. It broke out.
You already
Rail.
bought into Rail?
Yeah.
What's Rail at? Let me check. What is
465.
Rail AI?
Cooking. These spots were cooking.
What the hell is this? Like 0.5 cent company?
Yeah. You read about it. You have like BlackBerry CEO and like was it pension fund managers like funding it? Like it's basically you're preying on the Canadian government giving them a huge contract.
Damn, well, how much is it up recently? 23%? Ideally would have bought options lower.
Is there even an options? I don't think there's an options chain for this.
But buying after 20% pump, I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, let me see. Let me see the fib. Ooh, it's out of the fib. We're in the 0.618, the 0.5. It's not even that bad. Did I greed it or did I do my first buy here? Nah, I think the market comes back down. I'm
You got
holding
the
out.
COO of like IBM.
IBM.
You're basically preying on like Canadian government and like companies like implementing. It's like Canadian AI.
Isn't this considered like a penny stock because it's at like $85 million market cap?
Yeah.
Or what's
Yeah, I'd say
considered
so.
penny stock compared to small cap?
Penny stock is like
penny stock is the
one
price
five.
loss less than $1. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. I don't know. I just consider everything under like $3 a penny stock.
I consider anything like under like 5 bill market cap, like probably a penny stock.
What the fuck?
5 bill.
That's literally like majority of my
That's
portfolio right now.
generous. Nah, those
Well,
are mid
majority.
caps. Like above 1 bill.
I just buy into this company then. What's the
I
latest
sent you guys
comms?
Bro,
the
why are you
read
buying
on.
calls on this?
I need to get a Citrini sub again.
What stock he hopping into? If you look at Enoch portfolio, Enoch called a new stock called Rail AI. It's like $85 million market cap. Substack per. Delete that with a productive underlying asset. Why is OnlyFans on there?
What?
Are you Zheng Jie? XT?
Are you what?
Like the publisher. Zheng
No,
Jie.
I'm not.
Oh, you're
I'm
not?
not.
Okay.
I'm
I was about to say this is the most Chinese name of the Chinese, so like it already gives
No,
me
bro, no.
confidence.
No, I just like I like Artemis.
Hmm.
No.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna pick up some Grab too. Johnny.
Oh, picking it up while it's going up instead of going down? Interesting. Yeah, I should have bought in more Grab to be honest. I think now it's like, it's above my price I sold at almost. Like 4 point something. So I didn't even catch the dip. I just caught like a break even play.
It's so hard to see freaking like stocks rather than the US. I feel like they don't follow like the stock market as well.
No, they don't. But the Grab should be doing well regardless, to be honest.
Holy, there's like no volume on Grab.
Uh, 324 is like this.
XT, did
Wait,
you ever
what?
buy 21 Capital? Or not?
No, no.
Okay.
Oh, what's MSGR trading at right now? 170?
Yeah,
Oh,
exactly.
you guys see the guy that bought like $1 million worth of MSTR, but like the ETF long?
What do you mean?
I'll show you. This guy on IG.
Like the
He's
leverage ETF?
yeah, he's actually insane.
I think I saw you like that post.
Yep. He's very legit. That's why I like it.
MSGR?
But, like he's rich as hell, so like, so, but he's just really ballsy. I respect his guts. Like who would go $2 million into Microsoft long ETF?
Oh, Microsoft.
Like Microsoft long ETF 2x, like fucking like 3x long. Crazy.
Followed by JMO.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Right.
That's what I'm saying. It's oh my
I'm
god.
looking at some other stock. Like freaking
Oh.
travel stock.
Oh, never mind. Showtime. You have to do something like this. You have to sell your entire portfolio and like just buy. Yeah, I know he's a degenerate. That's why I respect him so much.
This Monday.
You could say it's pure luck, but like I'm pretty sure he bought it when VIX was at 35. That's why he did it. But if we drop lower, he would just get destroyed. Doesn't matter. If he goes all in every play and wins. Yeah, I think he is going all in every play. Because he did $1 million before. Then now he did a $2 million play after he got up to $2 million.
Bro, you nick my putts, are you getting cooked?
Well, sometimes you need luck along your side, to be honest.
Yeah, the next big dip will bring our puts profitable. Trust.
The next big dip better make you a billionaire so I can finally get my entries in. He's just on the high end of the stochastic condition. Yeah, he is, and I'm on the low end right now because the market makes no sense. Sometimes fundamentals just don't play out, unfortunately.
No Showtime's in the chat.
Maybe if he goes all in and loses, you won't hear about it, and he'll just disappear.
Showtime, I'm gonna touch you, bro.
I don't think he's gonna disappear, because he's still like really rich. I don't think he's stupid enough to do like his whole port.
Hey, Johnny, have you ever used Didi in China?
Didi?
Yeah, like the China Uber.
Yeah, I think I did a couple times.
Was it good?
Uh, it's it's good if you're like a Chinese local, but since I was a foreigner, I'm pretty sure they tried to scam me.
Okay.
Like as soon as I got in the car, they canceled the ride and they just set a pricing, and I was like, wait a minute, that's like double the price. So, yeah. Oh, also, like in the pricing of the ride, right? When you get to your location, they expect you to pay even more money because there's tolls when you pass through different cities. And they expect you to pay for the toll into the city and also out of the city because it's not included in the DD pricing.
I see.
Yeah, it's like I guess like an unspoken cost that they incur that they expect you to pay. XT, are you buying into Per?
I'm already in, but I'm looking to buy more.
Isn't it like the entire thesis of it just to hold hyper liquid?
Yeah, but right now it's the only profitable. Like, I sent you like a decent
It's like
read about.
every single exchange coin is just like only goes up because like they just buy back their token. It's just stupid. Like they make so
No,
much
but
money, all the exchanges, right? They're making billions a month.
yeah, but like I don't think any are gonna be as profitable or close to profitable, like being as successful as Hyperliquid. Like none of them have been able to keep their token as stable as they have, even with buybacks and everything. Like they just know how to scale.
Basically, per it's just like a hype bet, I guess.
Yeah, it's like a leveraged, a really leveraged high bet, but it's like the same the MSTR playbook. Like the reason it's gonna go up, like you can. So essentially, the bet is hype, right? You're betting on the native token, but like the the SPAC is gonna be trading much high. Like it's gonna be outperforming the native token by a lot.
Yeah, because it's
Just
so much
yeah.
riskier.
I mean, you risk, yeah, but the RR is in there. I'm already exposed to hype like a crazy amount, so I've been sort of thinking of.
Wait, what's kicking you out right now?
Wait, how are they getting earnings?
0.7. It's like right at her entry.
Is it earning earnings because it's holding the coin and then like just buying back in using like the interest it gains from like the hype coins? XT, like
Yeah, I'm sorry. Was that?
what is are they getting earnings from like what do you mean by like it says they're getting earnings from what is this called? Like the protocol and also from the
Okay, so how it essentially works is like they Hyperliquid generates revenue, right? They
Yeah.
generate revenue. Like it's all public. And some of that revenue is going to go into the fund, which they're going to be used to exclusively buy hype, which is essentially just stimulating buy pressure on the native token. But like, so essentially what they're doing is they already have money from, I don't know who were the original investors. Let me just check. What they're gonna do 2.3 mil a day, up to 835 mil of obligations. So they're just gonna be using their revenue to buy back their token, and it's gonna flywheel the equity.
But where are they getting their revenue from? This per place.
It's native Hyperliquid.
So like since they hold Hyperliquid, right? It says like
Mhm.
there's a perp rate. Is that perp rate from like just like staking rewards?
What do you mean?
Like is per like owned by Hyperliquid themselves?
No, I don't think so. It was like a SPAC sort of combination deal. It was like Sonnet and another firm. Yeah, it's Sonnet, Ross, Rorschach, and which is a Paradigm SPAC, and then Atlas Capital. So they're gonna do what they already have: 18 mil hype, 112 mil cash, 0 debt, 30 mil stock buyback program. So essentially, what they're doing is just replicating MSTR, and like but the difference between MSTR is they're like betting on Bitcoin, and their whole like business model was to acquire more or like raise more and just buy more Bitcoin, and it worked really well because Bitcoin was rallying, right? And they were getting insane returns, but it doesn't work well when Bitcoin doesn't rally. Now, what hype, like the difference in hype is that the token is much more stabilized.
The tokenomics of hype is just really good, or any exchange token. Exchanges make billions every month.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous. Actually crazy.
They also have the HLP, like their own hyperliquid like vault, I guess, where they just lock money. I don't know. I just like it. It's because they have a plan, right? And
Oh, I see what's happening here. They get like a percentage of the fees from traders. So it's not like you don't even have to stake.
that's what you're asking. I mean, that's how they generate revenue. The majority of it is through fees, and they've done like a bill so far, like 800 something, 870 mil in revenue so far.
But as a hype holder, you also get these fees, or
No, I hold enough to like make the fees like really small. Like if you hold enough, you could you essentially get like rewarded. If you stake, obviously more, but I just didn't stake. I was staking the majority of last year that I got them out.
wait, but that what? But oh,
Yeah, so listen, so they incentivize you to hold hype in any way, shape, or form, right? If you want to hold hype and trade their like platform, you can just buy a lot of it, and then you have lower fees. Just like majority of the other exchanges, like Binance had the same thing with BNB. Like they wanted you to stake.
bro, I think
BNB
this is
or
like a
just own
scam,
BNB.
bro. Like you're better off just like leveraging hype, cause they're not actually generating revenue, and like in the article it says they're generating revenue, right?
Hmm.
But that revenue is generated to Hyperliquid. It's not generated to Per. Per is a different entity. And holding hype doesn't give you like staking rewards, or doesn't entitle you to the fee. So they're generating zero revenue. They're just holding hype and just buying more hype as people buy the stock, I think. So hype generates literally zero, or Per generates zero money.
But that's the
The
same
fuck?
with like MSTR.
That's the same with like all the acquisition.
Yeah,
Like,
BMNR. BMNR
yeah,
is the exact same.
they're not supposed to generate revenue. They're like you're betting on the asset, which in this case hype is like
Yeah, but this I'm just saying like this like article itself makes zero sense because it's saying Per is generating revenue when it's literally generating zero revenue, or it's losing money because they have to report
I mean,
income.
no, the revenue, yeah, I mean, yeah.
Like Per like just seems like a scam to me. Like I would rather just like leverage like hype because they're losing money actually.
Well,
You're probably
it's
losing it
like-
on like fees.
It's like a zero it's like a zero fee leverage like thing. Right? It's just like BMNR and MicroStrategy. When the coin goes up, it does really well. When it goes down, it does really bad.
But if the coin goes up, you might as well just like leverage hype.
No, but the returns
It's
are
much
insane.
yeah,
And-
the returns on Per itself are gonna be like, say I'm gonna ballpark, but like hype goes up 30%. The like Per would go up 100% or like 80.
No, you can have
And
it
that's
go
just
up like
like
10x, like MicroStrategy
yeah, that's what
or
happened with
BMNR.
MSTR. like MSTR did the same thing. They were just acquiring big. So essentially, what they were doing was just raising every couple months. And then Sailor was just slamming buy. Like he didn't really care. They were buying on all-time highs, and like they just kept buying, and they outperformed Bitcoin. It doesn't make sense from like a TradFi perspective, but
From a
it's
risk
like
to
an
returns perspective based on previous.
yeah,
Makes
it's a levered bet, but essentially it'd be much smarter, or like it'd make more sense for you to be in per compared to like owning like $1 million worth of hype, right?
Right.
And then you'd also pay funding on the hype, which is like, I don't know if you take that
unless
into
you're
consideration.
going spot,
You
yeah,
take
and
them out.
then you could get liquidated too.
It's not even about the liquidation. It's like you'd pay a shit ton of funding. Like if you want to hold this for like months, you just like it just continue to eat at it and decay.
Yeah. Oh, that's why I'm like DATs are like good and bad. They're just like
Yeah.
they were created before like ETFs came out as like a ETF loophole. But then they can go really well if you have like good coin. There's one on like Telegram coin, but that one's like dead.
Yeah.
And they have tons like Telegram
They dump the
network
markets, bro.
strategy code.
I don't know. I'm blind to it because I'm just so bullish on hype as a company, like Hyperliquid. They have 11 employees, no VC funding, and they did $1 billion in revenue.
Let me check on Aster, because I'm invested into Aster.
Aster?
Yeah, how's Aster doing?
Check.
Stuck. Aster's just stuck.
But how are the revenues doing? Because it's gonna move with the revenues.
Aster.
Do people even use Aster still?
At least from my sort of, no, I don't think so. I don't know. Aster's done like 150 mil in revenue so far.
Be back. I'm gonna go get some water.
Yeah, I guess it is not
But
gonna
so,
be
like,
the winner then.
The cool thing about like hype is that like the majority of the overwhelming majority of the token, like the fees generated from the exchange go towards token buybacks. So that's why it's such a bullish asset.
Yeah, it's compounding basically.
Wait, oh my god.
Yeah.
Wait, XD, check Rave. Rave hit 21. It hit 22.5 earlier. Yeah. It might be
No,
close to
I
Apex.
closed my. Hold on. I closed my limit at like 19. Holy shit. Bro, why is this shit running up again? Look at the volume on it.
Yeah.
Wonder if 80 million. You guys gonna short this?
I'll be back in 5.
We wanted to, like a couple days back, but like I set a limit at 19. It went up to like 18.6 or 5, and I just didn't get filled.
Why do you want to short this though?
These are like specific crypto, like these are very rare, but they're essentially like the coin is dead, right? So the only people that are buying, it's the exchange, like trying to rinse, trying to get people liquidated. And these are always like 90% of them are free shorts. Like we used to get a lot of them like a couple of years back, like even a year back, and they're just free shorts. Like they go down like 90% in a day, but they also go up. Like Rave went up like 100. Like what? Let me just check.
Up like 4,000%.
Yeah, I mean 140% in one day, and then a retrace like 40%. So like if you're able to, like I didn't get filled by 50 cents, but if I did, I'd be looking at a 40% spot move, and I took that trade with leverage. So it's just a free trade because this isn't like there's no headlines on Rave. They didn't do anything different. Like the token did not change, but it's just the exchange like manipulating it, and that's it's a free short.
Would you short right now then?
No, Enoch has a different strategy to it. Like he says, like he would like for like a really big candle, like an apex candle, and then short off of that, which I guess you'd get a better entry, but it's like more of a gamble. I'd look for like a sign of weakness. Like I'd short on the way down, because when it goes down, it's gonna go down to like. You can look at Rave, like it's gonna go down to below $2 eventually. And it's just a free short. You could hold it, and like if you get in near the top, you could risk like the risk reward is insane on this.
Mm-hmm.
We used to get like so with leverage, like some of the P&Ls on these coins used to be insane because you'd get like if you nailed it's about timing. So if you nailed the short, you could just hold for months because there's no chance that thing is coming back.
Right, it's just like free money just running at that point.
Yeah.
Really depends on
That's
your
a
entry
very,
then.
Yeah. I mean, look, if you could, like, if you really, really wanted it to work, you could hold through it, but it's just very violent because, like, if you get in at the wrong time, so let's say you like short at like $10, it went up another 100% spot. So, like, you'd be going deep into cross margin.
Unless you have unlimited money, right? You just never lose.
Yeah, but
Like if you have like $100 million, would you ever lose?
No. I don't think this is big enough to like deploy that much capital in. Like this could be like a 40K, 50K trade. Like my position size on this is like sub 100K. So
Well, how much are you shorting with though? And with leverage or none?
with leverage. But it doesn't
With
really matter.
leverage.
I said
Wow.
sub 100K. I wanted to do 80K. Cuz like the like return on it is insane. Like you do an 80K position, like on a normal pair it wouldn't really be significant, right? Because like a 10% move on a 80K position would be like 8K. But on this, you're looking for a move that's like anywhere from like 40 to like 90%. So with an 80K position, you'd look to make 40 grand on a trade that's like practically free, right?
Wouldn't it make more sense to like long stuff like this? Because in longing, right, you could technically make like 1,000% returns. But if you were shorting, if it goes down to like $2, you only make like 90%.
Yeah, you can, but the thing with these is that like we don't know. It's unexplainable why it's going up this much. They call these crime, essentially. You don't know why it's driving up, and there's no technicals about it whatsoever. So like, I don't know. You could go long, but like, when do you exit?
Is whenever you make money, because there's a higher chance you like double your money compared to like lose majority of it, right?
Yeah, I get you. But like, see, like Ray, for example, like maybe someone got in at like the first run up, it did like 17, 18, right? It went in, it went down 40%, you might still be holding for it to go down, and it just went up another 100%, and that probably generated like another huge round of liquidations. Like, I can look up liquidation data on this pair.
How would you ever even like buy into this pair at like $1 or under?
You wouldn't, because it's a dead pair. Like, you don't talk about this. Like, this would be considered dead, but for some reason, the exchange, like, I don't know how these specifically work. They might have done a deal with the token themselves to, like, drive up the price or whatever. And, like, the exchange makes a shit ton of money because, like, a lot of people are getting liquidated, and it generates a lot of volume per that specific pair because people are trying to catch either the top or, like, the bottom. But, like, you know that for sure this is going to go down eventually. Look, Rave did... So
they do this on
On,
purpose just to get a lot of volume, right? And the exchange will profit at the end of the day.
Yeah. I mean, look, Rave generated, what, 5 mil worth of liquidations? Like, in the last hour, Bitcoin is the first one, ETH is the second, Rave is the third.
Damn.
And that's insane. Like, let me just check. Total liquidations. They did 6 mil worth of liquidations. No, 8 mil. No, this is just in the last 12 hours they did 8 mil. Last 24 hours they did 10 mil. 83% of people that are trading this are short. So, like, the exchange is going to try to, like, squeeze every single one of these people out because they can afford to. And in the end, they can just sell. Yeah. These are called crime coins, by the way. Like, if you, like, they happen pretty often when they have volume in crypto. Look at this, like, look at ORDI. This was yesterday.
Wordy?
Yeah.
Is there like some kind of statistical measure that you could use to kind of like find the top?
No. For Ordi, I had, like, you could try to, like, guess or, like, pinpoint a level, but you never know because it's like the exchange determines when they've, like, squeezed enough people out so they can start getting out of their position, right? I guess you could, like, now that I'm thinking about it, I guess you could look at, like, statistical data based on, like, previous crime pairs and see when the exchanges, like, decided to exit out, like, at what point, how much revenue they make.
Oh, it's true.
Because, like, you have to think about it. Like, if you think, like, let's say we can entertain Enix's idea that exchanges are b-booking, right? You can think of this as, like, if they liquidate $12 million worth of positions, they just pocketed $12 million.
I think they would exit after like a certain amount of volume is like too low. Would they not?
Probably, yeah. But as long as this, like, has, like, volume like this, people are gonna, like, they're gonna try to gamble and, like, try to short it. Like, there's $10 million worth of short positions, but only $1 million worth of longs. So obviously, like, the exchange is just gonna keep spot buying to get all of these short people, like, squeezed out. Like, this is another 10 mil in revenue for them if they can get liquidated. But I genuinely don't know, like, who's behind these. Like, is it the, like, listing teams that are doing this, or, like, is it organized? It's just, it's so fucked. Like, way back, like, last cycle, like the token teams, if they had decent connections with the bigger exchanges, they could like set up something like this or organize something like this and then pocket the money. Like the token could pocket the money, but
Then
this
the
is just
token would be
weird.
like inclined just to like keep pumping it.
I mean, this is just but this is just market manipulation. But unfortunately, like, there's no way to report it or anything like that because it's
Because their exchange is literally doing it now.
yeah. And technically, they're not doing anything wrong. Like they could be buying, or like a different entity could be buying it, but you know that it's the exchange because like they stand to gain from it.
Yeah.
Like nobody, no big fund is gonna go into like a random crypto pair and be like, okay, let's try to rinse this, right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
And every single you just know because like every single one of these pairs is a dead pair, right?
Yeah. Until they just randomly like started pumping it.
Yeah. Well, RDI, I thought it would run more. Like I had limits at 13, but it stopped at 10, and it just continued down.
Enoch, how confident are you that like OPEX is gonna like dump this? It's like the contracts are like 19 cents right now.
I mean, like I could just say like, hang on a sec.
He's not here right now, Dingus.
Oh, okay.
I mean, if you look at Orbi, right?
Yeah.
At the very top, wasn't it doing like 200 million? It was 200 million market cap, right? So Rave might be at like $200 million market cap, and then it would drop.
Yeah, I guess.
What's Rave currently at?
Let me check. It's it's 5.2 bill.
Market cap.
Yeah.
Alright, I got nothing.
Yeah, I mean, this is because like it's not like they choose a specific like a range of market cap. So like they don't do like 200 mil to like 100 mil to 300 mil and then we dump it. It's like they choose the coin and they determine like how much revenue they're going to generate from or like how many liquidations they're going to farm from the specific pair. And this is why it's called crime.
I see.
Because like the exchange is literally are doing this to farm. There are like hundreds of these pairs, bro. You wouldn't believe it. I'm gonna try to find some from last cycle and show you. Like you look okay. Look up something called Mavia.
Huh? How do you spell
Mavia.
that?
Mavia. And look at 24th of October,
Right.
2025. Right? That would be like a typical, and you see how it moved after? It's dead. It's a dead coin. Nobody's trading this, but they did end up rinsing this for a little bit.
Like out of nowhere, you could just see them like push it up randomly, push it out,
You
liquidate
can't even
people.
tell. Like unless you're using like a volatility screener, like yeah, you could do that technically. You could just sit on your ass all day and like wait for a pair to like move up 20% in 15 minutes, and then you could like bet that it's gonna go up another whatever.
Yeah.
But like it's way easier to just like after the day ends, you can like you can tell, like you can just use a screener and see what's performed the best today, and anything that's done over 100% spot, that's going to be one of these coins, right? So it's
Yeah.
a free short. So you can see like Mavia has never done anything, like it's never gone back to that level since that day. Yeah, but the main reason for these is just risk reward. Look, there's another one. FIL.
Phil? Oh, I've seen this
Phil.
before.
Yeah, Phil. This was November, so like, can you like tell? It's like they're very close together.
Yeah,
This is
I can
like-
tell the major spikes.
Yeah, these are like the peak exchange season, like the peak season for crime. Like that's when it was happening. And Binance was getting a lot of shit for it. Yeah, I
No
guess
wonder
it's
why
like
exchanges make so much money.
yeah, but it's like, see, it just doesn't make sense because like, I don't know, like a big exchange like Binance, for example, they're generating like, I can't really ballpark this, but like tens of millions of dollars of revenue a day. So like, why would they need another 10, 20 mil?
Right.
From,
I mean,
from
I
Rin-
think it might just be like some employee or something, maybe.
it's the listing teams, like the people that
Oh.
list tokens, like they're the most corrupt people. Like I sense like
Yeah.
they hate, because like if you're a token, like if you're a crypto company team, whatever, you guys have a token, you gotta have a good connection at like the larger exchanges. Let's say Binance. You could talk to them about setting something like this up,
Right.
right?
And then like they'll be inclined to get money.
They're profiting like 10 mil off the deal, and then you could get a split from that. At the same time, your token is getting like coverage. People are actually trading it. You get volume. But I just don't see it because it never ends up good for the native token, because essentially you're not, it's never gonna be better than before this, right? It's just a crime token now. Like nobody's gonna want to trade it.
I'm back.
That's what you mean by crime token.
Yeah, but I guess it's like unheard of in stocks. It's just a very crypto thing because they're so unregulated. They're allowed to do this shit.
Right.
Well, it does happen in stocks. You get like stuff pumping up to like a billion, like multiple billions, or even in the hundreds
But
of
like-
billions, and then just die.
But wait, are like what is like our brokers doing that, or funds, or like short squeezing?
I think it's a combination of everything. Where like when just stuff launches, like IPOs, a lot of IPOs just like
I mean, IPOs, yeah, but in crypto, like I don't know if there's like a stock that's like dead, right? It just pumps up 100, 200%, and just immediately dies back down. Like I feel like that'd be like grounds for market manipulation, and like they'd get into a lot of trouble, whoever was doing that. In crypto,
you could
they're
say for all the penny stocks all the time though.
yeah, I don't know.
Like you could say like even like BMNR, like
Yeah, BMNR, you can search that up too.
right? It's like $4 into like 160, and then back to like nothing now.
They're more like, I just showed Johnny like 3 pairs that did the same.
Oh yeah, Siren and
Siren too. Like there are like hundreds of these, man.
It seems
But
so
I
slow,
don't-
to be honest.
Yeah, it is. But they're also free trades. The only way you can get wrecked doing this is like if you time it wrong, and then you're stuck in a short on a shit coin that's going up. Like you don't know how much is going to go up. Like it could go up 100%, it could go up 200, 300.
Mhm.
And like at that point, however much like risk you're doing, or like however small the position size is, you're gonna get wrecked. Like on a small position, like anything sub 100K, you realize like if it goes up 100%, you're down. Like however much you're in for. So you know, it's like a But if you like, you could still make it out alive. You just need to have a lot of like money to be able to cover it. I know some people who like tried to take some of these trades and it did like another 200% spike, and they just ended up getting fully liquidated on like decent mid six fig portfolios. But I guess there's like there's edge in being a volatility trader in these sorts of situations. Like if you're just looking at pairs that are moving up every 50 minutes, and then you long something that you think is going to be a crime coin.
Yeah, if you get one of the longs, you're just gonna be like generational wealth made. Catch one of them.
Yeah. Ordy, Rave, Mover. There's so many of these, bro.
There's Pippin.
See? Yeah. I mean, look, Ordy did 40 mil in volume in the last, like, this is 1 hour. Let me look at 24-hour.
I'm still streaming, by the way, XT.
Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Is there a problem if I cuss?
No, 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 no. No, I'm just like telling you guys.
Yeah, okay.
Anything is fine except I think like crazy racism or like
No, we're
or
good.
like gambling, I think is the other, or just playing copyrighted music is the other.
Copyright music.
Yeah. But
Yeah, so
it's only YouTube that has that problem. Oh, okay, go ahead.
no. Like, I'm gonna see. Look, Ordy did $1.7 billion of volume today, and they only have an open interest of 30 mil, bro. Like, Rave did 1.2 billion, 1.3 billion. They have 100 mil in open interest, and they're both 50 mil market cap, 60 mil market cap. I don't know why it showed that as 5 bill on TradingView, but both are 50, 60 mil market cap tokens. So these are like shit coins, essentially. Siren too. It's up 400% in volume for some reason. It might be the next one. What?
Siren?
Yeah.
No, Siren already pumped.
Why is the chart so? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Bro, it's a 1 minute chart.
you can literally draw
I
a
was
line
looking
and
at it.
see. Yeah.
No. It was a 1 minute chart and it was flat. I was like, why hasn't this pumped yet?
Next one could be Bananas 31 for like the second time.
Bananas?
Yeah, Bananas 31. Look at that chart.
Bananas 31. It's at 150 mil market cap. Yeah, the volume is shit though. They've done bro 10 mil in last day. But this doesn't really, I don't know.
If the coin goes up to $30, are you gonna short it, Nick?
No, it's based off of like what the candles look like. It's gonna be straight up like crazy and then die off, type of thing.
Oh,
It's
so
Where
you'll
do you
straight
down?
up right now.
it's only 30% and it's not straight high enough yet. How big of a candlestick do you want though?
You'll just see it, like it'll just go ramp straight up, and like the volume will be crazy.
That's like a 50% move maybe?
I don't know.
It could be more.
Could like you don't know.
Well, that's interesting. Like I didn't really think of that. I usually short on the way down, or like after it's like peaked.
Like
It's like a good way to tell. Also, is if you look at the the high on the most liquid exchange, if it's a round number, that's when like a really big or a huge sell order was triggered.
yeah, it was probably most likely an iceberg order though. Always.
What?
Like it still will be like pretty like I don't know. It's like an iceberg order. It's like invisible orders that like don't show up in the order book. Like they show up like secretly type of thing.
Yeah.
Like orders just keep reappearing basically at a price. It's like an iceberg. You only see like the top where it says like, oh, 5 contracts, and then they just keep redoing it again and again.
I mean, they could just start market selling at that point, bro. And you'd never really know because like the moves are being done on the spot pair, and you're looking at the data for the perp pair, which is like the market that they're trying to rinse. So, but it's like a whole thing. I feel like I don't know. I don't really have the unless it's like a like I'm right now. I'm on the charts and it's happening right now. I'm not going to be on the lookout for these because it's just way too time consuming. You'd have to sit on a screener.
No, you can just like have an alert for volume crosses X amount. and just,
Hey,
Yeah.
can you tell me what price the contracts are right now?
like QQQ, like what they're like
The
what they're
bots.
worth.
Yeah.
Uh,
I think they're in the negative right now. I just can't check.
yeah, they're probably getting decayed pretty hard. Let's see. They're at 14 cents.
Bro.
Look at Mover, MOVR.
Was that Moon River?
I think so, yeah. This is like a live one, I guess. Hold on.
Hey, but Moon River is like an actual like huge project. How you just short
How?
squeeze? Huh?
How? It's been dead forever. Like,
Well, cause Polkadot has like unlimited money. That's the thing.
yeah, but let me just check. If there isn't any news on Moon River, like this doesn't make sense. This shit. It's always like, who is catching these longs, bro?
They probably just have volume alerts for everything. Just like join the
Yeah,
trend.
I might need to get my ass back into Orion.
Yeah, because Moon River used to be such a big project back then. It was like one of the successful like. Yeah, it used to be like a bill market cap almost, and then they have like a second coin. I forgot what the second coin is. I'm pretty sure that one's like fully dead.
I'm gonna set up some alerts. You should use Orion too if you're like want me to do? Okay. You could automate this too. Okay. Wait.
Yeah, but Moon River
So-
is like a polka dot. What is it? So I guess polka dot just gives it money.
Yeah, but it doesn't make sense. They've been letting it die for like a long time, and now it's just.
Yeah. Probably like I
Bro,
think
yeah, there's no news on it. There's like this one guy on Twitter who was apparently caught it and up like 80K.
is their account
Bro,
from
look.
Africa or not?
Let me just check. Let me check. Southeast Asia.
Okay. Probably believable.
He's up. Like he just tweeted 32 minutes ago. Rave down to $11 soon. I guess, bro. Has it peaked? Look at the numbers. Like it's always around top.
Oh, I haven't looked into that the round. Oh,
No, it's actually like pretty cool. It's a way to check because like if it's a like 22 like 21.63565, that could just be like a perp, like a massive perp liquidation or a sell order. But like if it's an indexed price, it could like it's more more likely to be exchange sided.
well, the other coin was called Moonbeam. That's what the other coin is called. Does it even still exist? Yeah, GL. Oh, that's up 56%. Moonbeam. That coin is also dead. You can look at the other coin, Moonbeam. Yeah, also up to like
Moonbeam?
1 billion. Yeah.
Oh shit. But I don't know, bro. Let's check. Oh, okay. I mean, Aster just listed them. That's why they're up. Okay. They listed Mover on Aster on as a perp pair.
Interesting. Like, and then the coin
But they listed
associated
it
with
now.
that is a like KSM Kusama, and that
Oh
is like
yeah, I know.
the parachain, and then that's like it's like 4 layers to this. You
Bro,
have
like
polka
look,
dot.
Aster is listing these. Aster is listing these. Let me look at the time, like specifically. Can you check at Ordi? Can you check when it started pumping?
Sure.
Check myself because it's not gonna make sense. The time difference. 2 p.m. yesterday. Aster listed it.
But like, when do you want it? It just slowly like, and then it went exponential, like parabolic. What do you
It
have?
might just be. It might just be the Aster listings. That might be the reason, bro. Is Aster that big?
It's big in Asia, cause I think
I mean, the reports I've read on it have all been like Hyperliquid's just insanely like they haven't been able to steal Hyperliquid's market share as much as they wanted to originally.
yeah, but it's Binance Tech, so
Yeah. It's like their version.
yeah,
Yeah.
you're just betting against CZ. But then like Hyperliquid CEO is like pretty associated with CZ. So I don't
Uber.
know
All right.
how much CZ is like into everything.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember what they used to call these. They used to call these dinos. Remember?
What I don't ever remember them call it like them calling them dinos. Everyone just called it
I do.
Binance crime.
No, I remember them calling dinos because the pattern essentially looks like this, right? The coin had like its cycle and everything, and it goes down, and it's just flat here. And when they do crime, it has like another peak, right, and just goes straight lower.
Yeah.
So they just end it like they just do this, and it's called a dino.
But then a lot of them like go to like a new high. Like you just look at Rave, like what do you even call that? Well, I guess bananas would probably be a dino maybe right now. But then it probably will be like different kind of dino.
Yeah, it's a different kind.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna head out. I need some food. Take care, guys.
It's actually crazy. Look at the freaking wig.
No, this is actually like a spot on dino. Like if you just ignore this because this is way too violent. I don't know what happened there. Like this is a dino. Like it had the cycle and then the peak and then yeah, that's the dino. Like it's you know that this is gonna go straight down.
Yeah, man, it's gonna have like some huge wick before it happens. It's gonna be like the biggest wick ever.
I'm gonna do change in percent or change in volume. I guess you'd get more in percent, no? Above percent in 5 minutes.
Yannick, I'm getting touched on my options, bro.
Hopefully they come back alive.
I feel like they will, but we'll
That
see.
makes sense.
Yeah. Because I think OPEX will like push everything down like end of day.
Yeah, I feel like OPEX will be nuclear. Well, we'll see.
Because that's what we had last time, yeah? Like we kept on
Yeah.
going down and then end of the day you just shot up after hitting put support.
Yeah.
Right.
Ooh, holy did you wick. Ooh. What the fuck happened?
If
New
US
scandal?
blockade of Hormuz continues, Iran will reciprocate. On Iran state media, Iran spokesperson.
Connection. Oh, what was I saying, bro? Change minute. Cost is above.
It's getting faded though.
We'll see. The option spiked to 30. Holy. Back down.
You're in shorts, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just think
Let me
like when
check.
the options expire, like they're just gonna get sold before expiration, like when the monthly
Okay.
options. And we're
Yeah.
literally above every single options level, so like everything is just a huge call premium.
Oh, damn, my oil's bouncing, I guess. That's why. Alright, I've set up alerts for crime. I didn't know Aster listings would be this good because like the coin starts pumping way before the listing,
Yeah.
but it's all insiders, people who know from the exchange. Like I was on that end of the book before when I was in Kaizen. Like we used to get data from base, like before they wanted to list tokens. Like we used to know like most of the pairs.
Enic, can you look at MRLN?
Okay. MR what? LN?
Yeah,
Merlin Inc.
yeah,
What, do you want the technicals of this? What the heck?
yeah. I want to enter it.
Yeah, like here would be like entry.
Wait, I don't see your screen.
Okay, no, just at the current price, yeah.
Okay, I'm entering.
What even is this?
So one of my friends, he has like a banking friend, and he does like crazy cows on stocks. He called like NB, CSTS, CRVS, like back in June, and like he just gave me intel that like he's buying into this stock with like millions.
Yeah,
That's how I know.
see, this is what it is. Like, you had the, I don't know, previous resistance, current support. That's why I just see it.
I don't see your screen.
No, I sent a screenshot in general. Yeah, but
It's just aerospace and defense. Eric, what do you think of Nebius though? Do you think he has like more room to run?
On a
Are you up
technical.
over?
Yeah, on technicals.
I I think I can get options levels for Imbis, maybe. Let's see. See, what is it? I think it's like the only way I'd chart this is like just bull flag, like looking for a bull flag after this move up on like the 4 hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Like, okay. Or basically a channel. I'll send you the channel. Yeah.
Okay.
You have the channel on the 4 hour. Form and probably like by the breakout of the channel. Like, I don't know, a good way to look at it, I guess, is like you look at it like Hood, like Robin Hood, kind of. Okay. Options are almost back alive. Oh my. Okay. Goddamn. Let's go.
Options are printing.
No, my futures shorts are printing. Options are like coming back alive. They're almost alive.
How much are they right now?
Huh? They're like negative
How much?
10% still. Wait, what is it?
Yeah, but like, are they like
Negative.
36 cents? How much are they?
30 cents. They were just 40 a second ago. 42 a second ago. Oh. Come on, bring it down to 645. We're at 48. Probably should have added a bit because of decay.
I added more at like 16. I'm like kind of embarrassed to tell you how many contracts I'm in on this.
What, like 50?
I have like 5k USD riding on this.
Okay. Damn.
What is TST? More crime? So apparently not.
Come on, OPEX. OPEX never fade.
Oh, let's go.
Yo.
Holy shit.
Oh, they're at 63. Oh, 65, 70, 80. Yo, Dingus, you're up. You're up. Go look. Go
I'm
look.
so up. I'm
Sell
so
it.
up.
Sell it now.
I trimmed 4k. I'm gonna hold 1k.
W.
I love options. I love options.
I should have doubled that. I should have went harder. Senior Iranian official to Reuters. Such a deal, preliminary deal, talks, compensation of war damages.
Yeah, Trump's never gonna do that.
Yeah.
Bro, that
He
was a
already said he's
16
not
cent
gonna
move,
release
25
their money.
cents.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, Bombokla 300% returns.
Wait, you're up 50. You're up 15K.
Well, not really, but like I'm on my 16 cent watt, you know? So like I'm up 8k.
Let's go. Let's go. Make back all the fucking futures losses. That's actually crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna exit. I'm
Order
exiting.
filled.
Okay. W.
Bro, there's still room for it to drop.
Good shit, guys.
Okay. I'm gonna treat
I love
myself
it
to some
down.
Anyway,
takeout.
it's crazy how fast it came back alive. Yo, the contract went back alive in like 1 minute. It's actually insane. Holy, if we bought at 12 cents, that would have been
I bought
insane.
I bought at 16 cents. I bought 3k at 16 cents. I bought 2k USD like when you told me, and then I entered more on 16 cents because like this shit will surely come back.
Yeah,
Like
because it's MOPEX, like the monthly options, once they expire, it should push us to 1 day max still. at 45. Because literally we were above every single Gex level. Gex 8 is at 26,800. $80 over.
Holy dopamine hit.
Yeah,
Holy dopamine.
it's actually crazy. They were like dead, and then freaking 3 minutes. And fucking boom, boom, boom.
Dude, I just turned 5k into 13k.
Yeah.
No, well, 4k into 13k. I still haven't TP'd on my 1k. Right now, I'm unrealized $1,800 profit. Okay, it's time to post on the Instagram. I'm joking. I think there's like still room for it to fall.
Yeah, but I think it's just time because we're close to closing. They're so volatile. It's crazy. We went to 80 cents. Okay, I'm gonna go end the stream.
Bro,